videos, and so I thought let's just go ahead and make one this week. Anyways, recently I came across a brand called Aegte, and I also got 2 products from their brand which I really wanted to share with all of you. So that is what this entire video is going to be about. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and without any further ado, let's get started. Before moving on to the products, let me introduce the brand Aegte to all of you. Aegte is an Indian skincare and haircare luxury brand, and they have a wide range of products, all of which are made from natural ingredients. Being a true believer of nature, Aegte believes that women around the world deserve to use products that are authentic, finest, and the purest. Ditching chemicals in our skincare and hair care products is the best thing that we can do to our hair and skin, and they deserve to be treated with natural ingredients only. And hence, Aegte uses ingredients like red onion, bhringraj, amla, 24-karat gold, fruit extracts, saffron, sandalwood, aloe vera, tea tree oil, cucumber extracts, and every other natural ingredient that can do wonders to your skin and hair. This is what I really like about the brand. I mainly got my hands on 2 products from Aegte, which I'll be showing you soon. And I have been using these products for quite some time now, and my experience has been really amazing. The first product that I have to show all of you is this Loose Inches Slimming Oil from Aegte. To be very honest, before this, I had never ever heard about any product called slimming oil. I did not know that such products did exist, and I have been using this for quite some time, and I have had a great experience. I really like the concept of the product and how it works, so I had to share this with all of you. No matter what the type or mass of our body is, I think it is always great to have a toned body, irrespective of what size it is, because it enhances the silhouette of your body, accentuates your figure whenever you're wearing clothes, and it just makes you feel a lot more confident no matter what you're wearing. And especially if you are a person who works out daily, I think this product can be a great supplement. I really like the packaging because it looks very luxurious, as the brand promises, and this is what the actual bottle looks like. It's very cute and yet looks so premium. The directions of use are very simple. All you need to do is pour a little amount of this oil on your palm and massage it on the area of your body that you want to tone down. You'll feel a mild tingling sensation once you start massaging it after a few minutes, and you'll feel a little bit of warmth, which actually denotes that the oil is burning fat. The oil has a great consistency. It is very lightweight and it easily gets absorbed by your skin. And it smells amazing. Talking about the pricing, it is priced at $12.99, which is completely apt, taking into consideration how great the oil works. It is clinically tested that this oil shows visible results in just 8 weeks. Isn't that amazing? Moving on, the next product that I got from Aegte is this Ultra Hydrating Body Butter. I love body butters, like I'm a sucker for body butter, and this one from Aegte has done complete justice to my expectations. It provides instant hydration and makes your skin feel so soft and smooth. It's very moisturizing as well, and its 3 key ingredients are honey, potato, and beetroot, all of which are very good for your skin, and that enhances the quality of your skin. Also apply it onto your face, and it is suitable for all skin types. You can apply it before applying makeup, so it is just a perfect lotion to have as a part of your routine according to me. It is chemically tested, 100% veg, paraben free, cruelty free, and 100% pure and natural, as it is the case for every other product from Aegte, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video. And this one, which is actually a 250 ml bottle, is priced at 499 rupees, which is totally worth it according to me. The packaging is really nice, opens like this, and then you can poured the lotion from right here, as you can see. So it is very easy to use. The package is user friendly, compact, and what else do you need? Speaking about the lotion, as I mentioned, it is extremely lightweight, it has a great consistency, and it gets smoothly absorbed by your skin. And oh my god, the fragrance again is just so amazing. It is very hydrating. It almost feels like my skin is glowing already. It makes your skin feel really soft and smooth, and I have been using this on a daily basis for about some time now, and I have noticed a great change in how my skin feels, and so I thought I should definitely share this product with all of you, because this product, I assure you, is a total thumbs up. So that's all for today's video. These are the two products that I got from Aegte, and I have had a great experience with both of these products, and I would totally recommend these two along with Aegte as a brand to all of you out there. Give this video a big thumbs up in case if you liked it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram. My username is right here for a regular dose of content on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, self-portraits and more. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, bye!